Jai Srimannarayana. 34th sloka of 9th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Manmana bhava madbhaktaha madhyaji mam namaskuru मामेव येष्यसि युक्त्वैवम् आत्मानं मत्परायणः। ओम। Whenever you look yourself into mirror, remember Sri Krishna Paramatma. Because of him only you are existing and you are surviving. Start your practice like that, remembering Sri Krishna Paramatma, and slowly try to keep only Krishna Paramatma run in your thoughts all the time. Be loyal to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Work for only Sri Krishna Paramatma. Live your life for Sri Krishna Paramatma. Be humble to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Be obedient to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Keep remembering his compassion towards you. That is how try to fill up Sri Krishna Paramatma in your life, in your thoughts. Then you will enjoy this life and afterlife also. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone. Do not cry. Mamekam Saranam Vraja Ma Suchaha." Now you must respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall start remembering you. I shall keep yourself run in my thoughts all the time. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall keep appreciating your compassion towards me. Because of that, I am existing and I am surviving. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, because this life is given to me by you, I shall be loyal to you. I shall live my life for you. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall always be humble, obedient to you. I shall prostrate only in front of you. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukhamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupetamapetakrutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu Tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam ದೇವೀಂ ಸರಸ್ವತೀಂ ವ್ಯಾಸಂ ತತೋ ಜಯಂ ಉದೀರಯೇತ್. ಶ್ರೀಮದ್ಭಾಗವತಮು ದಶಮಸ್ಕಂಧಮು 10th ಸ್ಕಂಧಂ. ಸೂತ ಮಹರ್ಷಿ giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Balarama and Krishna, they are being grown in Nandavrajam with doing all the playful activities. Gopikas, sometimes they feel that they cannot bear Krishna's activities anymore, and they go to Yashoda Devi and complain like this: "Oh Yashoda, your son Krishna comes to our homes, and because all the milks and yogurts, butters, everything is kept in pots and hanging to the roof, because Krishna is unable to reach up there, then he will think about a plan. Hasta agrahye rachayati vidhim putti puttadunedu dongila poyi ma illu chochi utti andaka rolu peetalu nokka providiyakka chaipetta jalaka కుండ క్రిందొక తూటొనరించి మీ పట్టి మీగడ పాలు చేరలన్ పట్టి త్రావె తలోదరి. What Krishna is doing at our homes is, because he is unable to reach up to those pots, he takes all the pedestals in our home and put one on top one, and like that he puts so many pedestals and reaches to the pots, and because he is unable to put his hand into the pots, then he makes holes to those pots, and then while putting his both hands together, whatever the milk, yogurt and butter comes out of that pots, he is taking with both hands and drinking all of that. Like that he is stealing all of our milk, butter, yogurts. Like that Gopikas complaining to Yashoda Devi. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣೇ ನಮಃ. ಓಂ ಅಸ್ಮದ್ಗುರುಭ್ಯೋ ನಮಃ. ಮುಕುಂದಮಾಲ. ಕೃಷ್ಣೋ ರಕ್ಷತು ನೋ ಜಗತ್ರಯ ಗುರುಃ ಕೃಷ್ಣಂ ನಮಸ್ಯಾಮ್ಯಹಂ. ಕೃಷ್ಣೇ ನಾಮರಶತ್ರವೋ ವಿನಿಹತಾಃ ಕೃಷ್ಣಾಯ ತಸ್ಮೈ ನಮಃ. ಕೃಷ್ಣಾದೇವ ಸಮುತ್ಥಿತಂ ಜಗದಿದಂ ಕೃಷ್ಣಸ್ಯ ದಾಸೋಸ್ಮ್ಯಹಂ. ಕೃಷ್ಣೇ ತಿಷ್ಠತಿ ವಿಶ್ವಮೇತದಖಿಲಂ ಹೇ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಸಂರಕ್ಷ ಮಾಂ. ಶ್ರೀಮದ್ಭಗವದ್ಗೀತಾ 9th chapter 34th ಶ್ಲೋಕ. ಮನ್ಮನಾಭವ ಮದ್ಭಕ್ತಃ ಮದ್ಯಾಜಿ ಮಾಂ ನಮಸ್ಕುರು ಮಾಮೇ ವೈಷ್ಯಸಿ ಯುಕ್ತ್ವೈವಂ ಆತ್ಮಾನಂ ಮತ್ಪರಾಯಣಃ. ಮನ್ಮನಾಭವ ಮದ್ಭಕ್ತೋ ಮದ್ಯಾಜಿ ಮಾಂ ನಮಸ್ಕುರು ಮಾಮೇ ವೈಷ್ಯಸಿ ಯುಕ್ತ್ವೈವಂ ಆತ್ಮಾನಂ ಮತ್ಪರಾಯಣಃ. ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ನಾರಾಯಣ ಕರಿಷ್ಯೇ ವಚನಂ ತವ. ಸರ್ವಂ ಶ್ರೀಕೃಷ್ಣಾರ್ಪಣಮಸ್ತು. ಜೈ ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ನಾರಾಯಣ.